Worried your baby isn't getting enough milk? Here's the tracker every mom needs. Is your baby getting enough milk? Here's what to look out for after delivery, because one of the first questions every new mom asks is, am I feeding my baby enough? If you've ever tracked ounces, minutes, or weighed diapers trying to figure it out, take a deep breath. You're doing better than you think. Those first few weeks can feel like a blur: endless feeds, short naps, and constant worry about whether your little one is getting enough milk or gaining enough weight. Sound familiar? Maybe you've asked yourself, is my baby eating too often? Not enough? Why do they still cry after feeding? Every mom goes through it, but here's the truth. When you understand your baby's feeding rhythm and growth patterns, everything gets easier. That's why I created the Feeding and Growth Tracker, a newborn feeding schedule plus weight gain guide. It's a simple, printable guide that helps you know exactly when and how often to feed your baby, whether you're breastfeeding, bottle feeding, or combo feeding. You'll also get a feeding log to track every session, a weight gain checklist to make sure your baby's growing on track, and a bottle intro guide so you know when and how to start if you're planning to mix feed. It's like having a baby nurse in your pocket, minus the stress.